The question says write structures of different dihalogen derivatives of propane. Okay, about dihalogen we have learned gem dihalide as well as weak dihalide. In case of gem dihalide, two halogens are attached to the same carbon in the parent chain or in the carbon chain, and in case of weak dihalide, two halogens are attached to the adjacent carbon. Okay, two halogens are attached to the adjacent carbon. First we complete a gem dihalide. Okay, we have gem dihalide. Okay, gem dihalide means two halogens are connected to the same carbon. We have propane, parent chain. How many carbon are there? 3 carbon. First carbon, second carbon, and third carbon is there. Okay, two halogen. Let's say I'm talking about dichlorides. Okay, so one Cl I attached here, one Cl also I attached here. Gem dihalide, two halogens connected to the same carbon. Okay, again we take the parent chain. There is the parent chain of 3 carbon, propane, and now I can attach Cl here also and here also. Okay, so in this case you can see this is also gem dihalide because to the same carbon two halogens are attached. Again if I attach two Cl here, one Cl and second Cl, so this structure and this structure will be same. Okay, so these two possible structures are there of gem dihalide. We can say 1 dichloropropane and 2 dichloropropane. So you can see both naming is also different. Now we can go for the weak dihalide. Okay, we have weak dihalide. In this case weak dihalide, so in this case two halogens are connected to the adjacent carbon. Parent chain, we have parent chain. So I attach one Cl here and one Cl here also. One Cl, one Cl. Weak dihalide is completed. And one more form is possible. You can see, but that will not be weak dihalide. One more form is possible. We have parent chain. I attach one Cl here also, attach one Cl here also, because these two halogens are not connected to the successive adjacent carbon. You can see one carbon is there. This carbon is coming in between these two carbon. So that's why it is not an example of weak dihalide. So we have 4 structures are possible. Out of 4, 2 are gem dihalide, one is weak dihalide, and this is a common halide, dihalide. Okay, we do not give the name gem yavishnal. Okay, it is dihalide because halogens not connected to the successive carbon. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to the channel.